This is a tutorial on how to use the BWC171. To turn on, click the button on the top left of the camera. It should show a green light and a prompt on the screen. To start recording, click the recording button on the top left of the camera. When it's recording, it should show a red dot on the top left of the screen and a red flashing light on the top right of the camera. To stop recording, click on the button again. To take a picture, click on the camera button. We will take a picture. To do an audio recording, click on the audio microphone button on the top right of the camera. There should be an orange flashing light and a microphone icon on the camera screen. To stop audio recording, click on the audio button once again, and the green light should start flashing, should display again. To on flashlight, click on the flashlight button and the flashlight will be turned on. To off it, click it one more time. To on laser pointer, click on the button below the flashlight button. The laser pointer will be activated. To deactivate it again, click on it one more time. To view your footages, click on the OK button located at the bottom right of the camera, and you can view all your footages. To view the different type of recording, simply click on the left or right button. As you can see, this is the video footages, camera pictures, and all the footages. And this is the audio recording. To go back, click on M twice. To go to setting, click on M and click on OK again, and it will enter the specific setting. To go back, click on M. There are three types of setting: video setting, camera setting, and general setting. So to go back, click on M. And powering off, hold the on button, off button again. To extract your footages, peel off the USB cover, and you can see the USB hole. Plug in the USB that has been given inside the set. There should be a blue and green light at the top of the camera. The password is 6 zeros, so click on OK on 0. Go to File Explorer, click on the D drive and click on TCIM. You can view all your footages. To delete it, select on the videos that you want to delete it, right click and delete. To eject your camera, click on eject thumb drive. and you can safely plug out your camera. Thank you.